here with this beautiful view. Not my last time in Mexico, that's for sure. However, let me get this moon shot. Let me get this moon. However, I came here with great apprehension, nervousness, not knowing what to expect, but I'm leaving here with much knowledge. I know more about Mexico, about the Mayan, about the Aztecs, about the trees, about the wind, about the moon, the stars, which I love, than I could imagine. I am leaving here at this moment, but like I said, this definitely will not be the last time in Mexico. It's been a great trip. It's been a great trip, very informative, and I hope everyone has enjoyed it also. If not, so be it. There's always some people that's gonna like something and some people that's not, but I'm just here to spread the message about the world. I got my hood on. It's a bit cold. It's a bit chilly out here this morning too, but it's supposed to heat up to about 80 something degrees, and also the sunrise will be at 7:20 today, so I'm out here for that. You know it. You see it behind me in the window. It's absolutely gorgeous, per usual. Honestly glad I vlogged this experience, even though I was reluctant at first. I'm honestly glad I did. Like I said, I vlog for memories, but also, it's just like, yeah, some parts of the trip or things you do you cannot remember. You go back and look at them on vlog and it's like, oh yeah, that did happen, or oh yeah, I did hear that, or I learned that. And I learned a lot here. Like I said earlier, I really did. And I also, just like, it's a part of me now. This stamp in time is a part of me. I've also left some of my DNA here, whether it be down the drain of the shower, or in the sea, or in the pool, or on the sidewalk, or in the chair, or on the fork that I ate off, this cup that I drank. So I'm always stamped here, just like it's stamped in me or on me. So, that's cool. That's a thought, food for thought. Sun is still rising. I'm still out here enjoying it, And again, I always have this memory, as well as this place will always have me in memory, because the world and the water and everything is the same. So just like we think, see, touch, and feel, breathe, it does the same thing. So it has a brain also. You get used to seeing my new best friend, because low-key, I've been wanting one of these since 8th grade. 8th grade. I'm 43 years old, and I've been wanting since 8th grade. I don't mind telling y'all the truth about myself, but I wanted it from Mexico, so I've been everywhere else. A lot of Spanish, well, I lived in Spain. I've been to Dominican Republic, but this is a Mexican thing. It's an overcast, so the sun didn't really come up. Like, you can't see it because it's overcast, but it's cold. Like, it's chilly out here. Like I said, it's gonna supposed to warm up to about 80, but right now it's chilly, which is weird because yesterday was chilly too, but it turned out to be a very beautiful day. So I'm assuming today is gonna be the same thing. Today I don't get to experience it like I did yesterday, but that's okay, because yesterday was great. And today, at least I got to experience this right here. Let me go get myself ready to go to breakfast. We weren't going to breakfast because they reserved it for the people after the Super Bowl. Too cold to eat outside, so we ate inside. In the inside today. Mexico. The door. It's the wall. This bathroom look better than the ones we got. One time.
That's all it takes.
That blue.
That means we can't leave. We have to leave the bathroom. We're ready to close the morning door.
We're back in America. Oh, whoopee. So excited. Let's see how Brooklyn reacts to us coming back. Hi, Brooklyn. Hi, Mama. Hi, my papa. Hi, papa.
You ready to go home now? Okay.
You sure you should?
I know that, right?
You happy, Brooklyn? Certainly back at home. I had a wonderful time. Got a great tan. Probably gained a couple pounds because I ate too many carbs on that trip. But I do not regret it, to be 100% honest. I had a great time. We had a great time. Did I get frisked, you ask? Of course. There would be no trip outside of America without me coming. Actually, I didn't get checked going into Mexico. I got checked coming out of Mexico. And guess what? If I could find my ticket, I'm gonna show you my ticket. It was also marked. Yeah, it was also marked that I was the person to get the frisk. Ain't that something? But I wasn't the only one now. It was a couple of other people before me. I will admit that. However, I knew I was gonna be one. It never fails. But anyways, so back to remember my keys and to eat and to all these things that we have to do here. Because for 4 days, I didn't have to remember anything other than where my room was. But hey, that's life. See you on the next trip.